Pandas groupy to find percent true and false. I have a column of sites: Canada, USA, China. Each site occurs many times in the site column, and next to each instance is a true or false value. And it goes on. Goal 1. I want to find, for each site, what percent of the value column is true. Goal 2. I want to return a list of sites where percent true in the value column is greater than 10%. How do I use groupy to achieve this? I only know how to use groupy to find the mean for each site, which won't help me here.
Something like this.